Many people are curious about which part is the front side of the eye patch. But in fact, there is no back nor front side to it at all. You can use it depending on your troubled areas. When you get bags under your eyes, attach the white area to the front, from the front side to the back. For the wrinkle on the edge of eyes and cheekbone, attach the narrow area to the front. To care for smile lines, attach the narrow area upwards. For a sink cheek, wide area to the upwards. For the front lines, better attach the wide area downwards. Worried about wrinkles on your forehead? Attach the wide area upwards. Jawline. Attach it around your jawline, just like this. Lastly, for the neck wrinkles, attach it around your wrinkles. Let all skin worries away with this eye patch. This is an eco-friendly hydrogel patch made from seaweed ingredients. If you put this patch into the tepid water, it melts naturally from the heat. Can you see how much Benton cares about our environment?